What are the types of fluid flow meters? Let us consider any turbo machine, say a centrifugal pump. Here we see that water, after passing through the impeller, flows through the delivery pipe and then finally reaches delivery tank. It is to be noted that generally the fluid passing through the delivery pipe is checked for some of its components like flow rate and speed. It can be carried out by using some of the hydraulic devices like orifice meter, pitot tube, and venturi meter. Thus, the different types of fluid flow meters are orifice meter, venturi meter, and pitot tube. Let us discuss each of them one by one. Pitot tube is a device which consists of a glass tube bent at right angles with a small opening. The flowing water has a kinetic energy within it, due to which the water enters the pitot tube. We see that the level of water rises in the tube. The rise of water in the pitot tube gives the pressure difference between these points 1 and 2. With the help of this pressure difference, we can calculate the velocity of the water flow using the Bernoulli's equation. An orifice meter consists of an orifice plate, which is held with the help of a flange. We can measure the pressure drop between the 2 points, say point 1, and point 2 across the orifice plate, with the help of a U-tube manometer. The value of pressure difference helps us to calculate the discharge through the pipe. A venturi meter consists of 3 parts, a short converging part, a throat, and a long diverging part as shown. We see that the fluid enters the venturi meter from the converging section. As it passes through the throat section, the pressure of the flowing fluid drops gradually. This pressure difference between the 2 points can be measured by a U-tube manometer. Now, as the fluid passes through the diverging section, it gains its initial pressure. So, with the help of the value of the pressure difference, we can calculate discharge through the pipe by applying Bernoulli's equation. Related term is